Hey, I know a lot of you are wondering how to create a fillable PDF. I've gotten a bunch of questions on this, and I actually just created a fillable PDF for my upcoming workshop, so I thought this would be a perfect time to do a demo. Canva does not have a functionality to create fillable PDFs, so what you'll have to do is design your design in Canva, then download it as a PDF, and then take it into another software so that you can add the fillable fields. So I'm going to show you two different ways. First, I'm going to show you using Adobe Acrobat, and then second, using this service online, this tool called PDF Escape, since I know that not everyone has Adobe Acrobat. So I have my PDF here, and I'm going to take it into Acrobat, and I'm going to go to Tools, and then Prepare Form, then click Start. And what it's going to do is it's going to scan and see if it can try and auto-create some fields for you. Okay, so I found where I need to add my fields. This is my workbook. So I want to go to and click this little icon here. And then I'm going to drag over my box where I want people to be able to type in their own stuff. And then you can rename it here on the right. You have some property options. You can change some formatting. You can change the font color, font size, for example. I'm not going to mess with any of that, but what I do need to do is I'm going to click multi-line so that it goes into multiple lines in this text area. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And there we go. I'm going to select the same option. And one thing I want to note here is you can actually drag and change the order of these here. And I don't think it's, okay, there we go. And why this is helpful is, so say you're doing a form with a lot of different fields. If you want people to be able to tab through, this is the tab order. The order of this is also going to be the tab order. So that's definitely something I want to keep in mind. And if you have a lot of fields, it is helpful to have these names so you know what goes to what. My PDF is pretty simple, so I'm not going to worry about that. So if you want to see what it looks like on the front end, you can click Preview and you can see the fields and then what it looks like when you click in. To go back to editing, you can click the edit button. And then when you are ready, actually I'll show you one more thing. So with my workbook, I do not need people to submit it to me or anything like that. It's just for their use. But say you wanted to be able to have people submit it, you can click this OK to add a button. And I'm going to go to Properties and go to Actions. And then select trigger. I'm going to leave it on mouse up, and what this means is that like when someone clicks down and then releases, that's mouse up. And then it submits the form. Then you need to click add so we can add this action. So here we're going to add mail to, and then add the email address that you want it to go to. You can select your option here. I think I would do PDF, the complete document. I actually don't know the difference between like what this is exactly, but it may take some testing to find the right format that you need. And then you're going to click OK and close, and of course, you know, make the button look how you want it to and all that good stuff. Then when you're ready, you can save your PDF and you're good to go. So the other tool that I want to show you is PDF Escape. I don't particularly love this tool, but it is a free one out there that I found that doesn't require you to sign in and create an account. So I'm going to go to find my PDF and upload it. So as you can see, the interface, it's not super user-friendly. It looks pretty old. So I am going to add a form field. So I'm going to click here and select. And I'm going to drag where I want it to go. And then I also want to make this multi-line, so I'm going to right click on this and click Object Properties, then multi-line. You can also require it if you want. And then I'm going to add another form field here. And I'm going to do the same thing. right click, multi-line. So just go through and do all of your fields. And then now I'm just going to save and download. So click this little green arrow here, and it actually just downloaded it to my computer. So I'm going to open it up, take a look at it. So you can see that it looks pretty much exactly the same, where it has the highlighted area that you can customize. So that is a good tool if you don't have Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found this to be helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create for your fillable PDFs.